ingredients: chicken stock, carrots, celery, onions, turkey sausage, eggs, olive oil, black pepper, salt, cornbread, crab meat, bacon spray, and sage. Put the olive oil in pan. And now I'm going to heat the sausage in the pan. Now cook it really good. Now add salt and season.
Welcome to our show. I'm Brianna.
And I'm Brittany.
And we are the Bow Girls.
Today, we have a fun back-to-school video for you.
Using graham crackers. We're going to show you how to make graham cracker pencils just like this. Take a graham cracker and shape it like a pencil.
We're taking some pink icing and drawing on the eraser.